Hello children, welcome to the Maths online class. Children, let us learn about measurement and how we measure object length, weight and volume using standard and non-standard measurement. Let us see how measurement of length is made in olden times. People used fathom and handspan to measure lengths. What is fathom? You would have seen flower wonder measuring the flowers using fathom. Fathom is the distance between two outstretched hands. Fathom is a non-standard measurement and length differs from one person to another. Another way of measuring length is handspan. Handspan is the distance between the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger of a outstretched hand. Let us now learn how handspan is used to measure the length of the stick. According to my handspan measurement, the length of the stick is 3 handspan. Now, let me ask my friend to measure the same stick. Now, the length of the stick is 2.5 handspan. You can see that there is a difference in measurement made by me and my friend. This is because of the difference in hand size. Hand size will not be equal for all. So, to overcome these problems, it is always better to using standardized measuring instruments. You all would have seen a scale. Scales may have measurements till 15 centimeters or 30 centimeters. Centimeter is the unit of measurement in a scale. If you observe a scale, there will be 9 short lines and 1 long line. This group of 10 lines is equal to 1 centimeter. It is written as 1 centimeter. Let us take a small scale now and answer the questions in page 71. The first number in this scale is 1. The last number in this scale is 15. The number of long lines in this scale is 15.
The number of short line between any two long line is 9.
Let us learn how we can measure the length of an object using scale. Let us first measure the length of the pencil using a scale. Keep one tip of the pencil at the starting point of the scale and mark the place where the other tip of the pencil ends. That point is the measure of the length of the pencil.
20 centimeter.
Now let us measure the length of the object given in page 72 and 73. First measure the length of the given picture using a scale and write the length in the space provided. First one, figure car is there and starting point observe here. We measure it 0 to end point. End point is, so we should write 6.5 centimeter. Now we measure the bulb. So starting point to end point we measure it. So bulb length is 5.9 centimeter. So write here 5.9 centimeter. Now third one, broom. We keep the scale starting point to end point. Observe how many centimeter? 4.9 centimeter. Now next picture, table. We measure the starting point to end point. See, starting point to end point 6.8 centimeter. So write here 6.8 centimeter. Now key. Observe the key. Starting point to end point we measure it. So here length of the key is 2.9 centimeter. So write 2.9 centimeter. Now we are going to solve the exercise 10.1. Measure the length of the objects given below in centimeter and write in the space provided. First one, carrot given here, and we measure the starting point to end point. Use the scale. Measure it. Here carrot length is 4 centimeter. So write 4 centimeter. Now second one. Observe the book. We keep the scale in starting point to end point. So 2 centimeter. Now third one. Watch. We measure the starting point to end point. So watch length is 6 centimeter. Now fourth one, geometry box. Observe the geometry box, children. Here we measure the starting point to end point. Length of the geometry box is 5 centimeter. So write here 5 centimeter. Now fifth one. Observe the window and we keep the scale in starting point to end point. So window length is 7 centimeter. Now sixth one. The length of the stick is, we measure it starting point to end point. So Length of the stick is 6 centimeter. Now 7th one. Observe the ink pot. Ink pot, we keep the scale starting point to end point. So 2 centimeter. Thank you, children.